Hi everyone, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm sharing how you can make a chicken cheese sandwich within 10 minutes. It is quick, it is delicious, and it's sure to curb those cravings. It's perfect for morning school lunches, office lunches, a midnight snack. Add chilies to make it spicy, make it with just chicken for your kids. The options are endless. So let's get started with the recipe, but before that, please do consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. So here I have about half a chicken breast, around 100 grams. It is boiled, a little bit of onion, some green bell peppers. You can use chilies too if you want to make it spicy, and some cheese of your choice. I'm using mozzarella, and there is no exact ratio. You can use however much of whatever much you want. Right now my pan is on medium heat. I have added a teaspoon of oil, and then I'm adding in my onions. Once they are translucent, add in the chicken, followed by your green chilies or your bell peppers. If you're making it with kids, just use chicken. My son loves it with just chicken and cheese. And give it all a little toss, maybe a couple of minutes, till you see that the onions and the peppers are turning brighter in color. Then add in salt and pepper. So with the quantity I used 2 pinches of salt and maybe 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Keep the salt a little bit towards the lower side because cheese already has salt in it and you don't want it to become extremely salty. So once everything looks nice and cooked, add in milk. And this is the best thing. If you are dairy free, you can use dairy free milk too. So I used 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then I'm adding in half of my cheese right now. I'm using mozzarella cheese because that's the one that gives you all those beautiful strings. Put your heat to low and then cover your pan for a minute, and you'll see that the cheese will melt down completely. At this point, it's completely your choice however you wanna reduce the liquid in the stuffing. I like to keep it just a tad bit moist, and that is because when you put it on the bread, it soaks up all of that flavors and it makes it really nice, and it has a really nice textural interest too. So I'm adding the rest of my cheese on the top, and I toasted my bread and added a little bit of mayo on it. Mayo is completely optional but highly recommended. And while I was putting mayo on my toast, the cheese on top of my chicken also melted, and now we're gonna slide it down onto our sandwich. And just look at that, how delicious does that look. It's also healthy in a way that you don't get to use flour or mayo, so it's great for people who are looking for gluten-free recipes too. And here you go, your chicken cheese sandwich is ready in no time. I hope you guys liked this video and this recipe. If you did, please do consider giving it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.